In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Elementor page full width. Whether you're designing a sleek portfolio, a dynamic business site, or just want that modern edge, making your page full width can really enhance the viewer's experience. But don't worry, I'll walk you through each step so you can achieve this effortlessly. First, let's start by focusing on one of the most distinguishing features of an Elementor page, the section handle, or as some might call it, the container. This is essentially the structural backbone of your page and modifies how your content is displayed. When you hover over the section, you'll notice a small handle appear. Clicking this will reveal more settings. This step is crucial, as it's your gateway to transforming the structure of your page. Now, once you've accessed the section settings, navigate over to the Layout tab. The Layout tab is your best friend when it comes to adjusting the size, position, and arrangement of content. In this panel, look for the Content Width setting. This determines the overall width of your section and is typically set to boxed by default. To achieve that seamless full-width look, change this setting to full width. By doing this, you're instructing your section to extend across the entire width of the visitor's screen, which is perfect for creating an immersive viewing experience. After adjusting the content width, don't forget to enable the Stretch Section option. This is particularly essential for section widgets, which might not naturally extend to the edges. Stretching the section ensures that it occupies all available space, minimizing any unwanted borders. This step is especially handy for creating that clean and contemporary look many designers are aiming for. Finally, to add the finishing touches to your full-width page, take a moment to consider the column gap setting. If you find that there are still some spaces between your sections or columns that you'd prefer to eliminate, you can set the column gap to no gap. This will remove any extra spaces, allowing your content to flow seamlessly from one section to the next without interruption. This can be particularly useful if you want to emphasize continuity in your design. And there you have it, a full-width Elementor page in just a few steps. By utilizing the section handle, modifying the layout to full width, enabling stretch, and adjusting the column gaps, you've transformed your page into something that's both dynamic and visually appealing. Remember, every design decision you make with Elementor can profoundly affect how users interact with your content, so experimenting with these settings can really make a difference. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found these tips helpful for enhancing your next Elementor project.